What's up everyone, Mike from Wanderlost. Today we're in the Ouachita National Forest. We'll be doing some kayaking, exploring islands, and camping out in the rain. Come and join me on this fun little adventure. Today we are at the Ouachita National Forest and we are on the Ouachita Lake. The weather's pretty good today. There's a 65% chance of rain. This looks pretty cool. Uh-oh. I don't know if you heard that. I just heard some thunder over there, so I think this might be it. Perfect timing. Just as I got the tent set up, it's starting to rain right now. So I decided to set up my tent right in the little peninsula, so I got both sides of the lake. Alright guys, I probably picked the wrong spot to camp in. I didn't see any lightning, so it should be okay. All the wood around here is wet, so I don't think I can get a fire going, but I do have some firewood in my car. There must be a current going this way because it seems way longer going back to my car than it was going out to that island. See all this white stuff on the rocks? Ouachita Mountains is known for the quartz. But I think it should be a pretty clear night, so I'm gonna do the fire right here. I don't know if you can see all the colors in the sky, but got a nice little bratwurst cooking. Ooh, a little too hot. You gotta raise it up. I don't want to burn my wiener. I never camp without this thing. This is an electronic bug repeller. It's kind of like a thermocell, except instead of using the fuel canisters, it's rechargeable. I've been hearing these fish jump all night in the water while I've been cooking. I think I'm gonna get in the kayak and go fishing. I'm gonna make a little dessert to have on the kayak. This is mango sticky rice. It's so quiet out here. So peaceful. Let's see if this tastes anything like the mango sticky rice in Thailand. Oh my god, it's terrible. I think it went bad. It tastes like after puke. That mango sticky rice was pretty disappointing, so I'm gonna try this mug cake thing. It says 3 teaspoonfuls. Perfect. But it's late and I'm going to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. Uh-oh guys, we have a problem. My mattress has a leak. You see that little hole right there? Not gonna be a fun night, but we'll get through it. See you in the morning. Good morning. I couldn't really sleep last night. My air mattress was completely flat, so I was basically laying on the ground, and I actually put my sleeping part on a bunch of roots, so they were just like poking me in the back all night and couldn't get a comfortable position. But anyways, it's about, whoa, a big splash over there. Huh, a little creepy. That thing is huge. I don't know what kind of spider that is, but I don't want him in here. I'm gonna have to think of a way to get him out. The thing is fat. So today's breakfast is just oatmeal with lake salt coffee. So if you guys are in the Arkansas area and looking for a place to camp at, I definitely recommend Ouachita National Forest. I'll put a link in the description below of the map and the specific island if you guys want to check out this place. Once the sun came out, that fog just lifted away. Looks like it's ready. Goodbye, island. I'll see you later. Thanks for letting me stay. I'll be back. I'm actually getting a little bit hungry, but I think I'm gonna get out of the open water, get close to those two islands over there before I slow down and eat. Oh wow, check it out. There's a little cove right here. Watch me reverse park this thing. Beep, 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 beep. Oh! Alright, today's lunch is beef stroganoff by Mountain House. So good. Check out my view. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and it really helped me out if you give me a like, comment, and subscribe. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.